Hello everyone, welcome back to Elite Estate Tour, the place where we explore the most extraordinary luxury homes around the world, and today's property is something truly special. From the very first moment, this home gives off a powerful impression of elegance, sophistication, and modern design. This is not just a place to live, it's a lifestyle experience crafted with precision, vision, and a deep understanding of luxury living. So sit back, relax, and let's step inside this incredible masterpiece together. As we begin our approach toward the property, you immediately notice how the architecture stands out in the most refined way. The exterior is a perfect balance of modern geometry and natural harmony. Clean lines, expansive glass panels, and carefully selected materials create a striking visual presence. The home feels both bold and welcoming at the same time, which is not easy to achieve. The driveway leads you gracefully toward the entrance, and even this simple journey feels like you're entering a private estate designed for exclusivity. The landscaping surrounding the property adds another layer of beauty. Lush greenery, perfectly trimmed hedges, and strategically placed lighting fixtures enhance the overall ambience. Even before stepping inside, you can tell that every inch of this property has been thoughtfully planned and executed. The outdoor design complements the structure in a way that feels seamless and natural. Now, as we reach the main entrance, take a moment to appreciate the scale and presence of these grand doors. The height, the texture, and the craftsmanship all come together to create an unforgettable first impression. This is the kind of entrance that sets expectations high, and trust me, this home delivers on every single one of them. Stepping inside, you are immediately welcomed by a breathtaking foyer that feels open, bright, and incredibly luxurious. The high ceilings create a sense of freedom and space, while natural light pours in through massive windows, illuminating the entire area. The flooring, often finished in polished marble or premium stone, reflects light beautifully, adding a sense of grandeur to the space. A carefully selected chandelier hangs above, acting as a centerpiece that draws your attention upward. As we move deeper into the home, we enter the main living area, and this is where the magic truly begins. The open concept layout allows each space to flow effortlessly into the next, creating a sense of continuity and openness. The living room is designed for both comfort and style. Plush seating arrangements, elegant decor, and a neutral yet rich color palette make this space feel inviting while maintaining a luxurious edge. Large floor-to-ceiling glass doors open up to the outdoor area, blurring the line between indoor and outdoor living. This connection allows natural light to flood the room and provide stunning views that change throughout the day. Whether it's sunrise or sunset, this space transforms with the light, creating a dynamic and ever-evolving atmosphere. Adjacent to the living area, we find the dining space, which is nothing short of spectacular. The dining table serves as a central focal point, surrounded by beautifully crafted chairs and enhanced by designer lighting overhead. This is a space where memories are made, where family and friends gather to share meals and celebrate life's special moments. The design is elegant yet functional, offering the perfect balance between aesthetics and usability. Moving into the kitchen, you'll immediately understand why this is considered the heart of the home. This kitchen is a masterpiece of modern design and cutting-edge technology. Sleek cabinetry, high-end appliances, and a spacious island create a functional yet visually stunning environment. Every detail has been considered, from the choice of materials to the layout, ensuring that this space is both practical and beautiful. The island not only provides additional workspace, but also acts as a social hub where guests can gather while meals are being prepared. Integrated lighting, premium countertops, and smart storage solutions elevate this kitchen to a whole new level. Whether you're a professional chef or someone who simply enjoys cooking, this space offers everything you could ever need. As we continue the tour, we make our way toward the private areas of the home, starting with the bedrooms. Each bedroom is designed with comfort and privacy in mind, offering a peaceful retreat away from the main living spaces. Large windows allow natural light to fill the rooms, while carefully chosen furnishings create a cozy yet luxurious atmosphere. Now let's step into the master suite, and this is where the home truly showcases its commitment to luxury. The master bedroom is spacious, elegant, and designed to provide the ultimate level of comfort. Soft textures, calming colors, and thoughtful design elements come together to create a space that feels like a personal sanctuary. The master suite also includes a walk-in closet that feels more like a high-end boutique. Custom shelving, ample storage, and a well-organized layout make it easy to keep everything in place while maintaining a sense of style. This is not just a closet, it's an experience in itself. Connected to the master bedroom is the ensuite bathroom, which feels more like a private spa. From the freestanding bathtub to the glass-enclosed shower, every feature has been designed to promote relaxation and luxury. High-quality materials, elegant fixtures, and a clean, modern aesthetic create a space where you can truly unwind after a long day. As we explore further, we come across additional features that elevate this home to another level. Entertainment spaces such as a home theater, a game room, or even a private lounge area provide endless opportunities for relaxation and fun. These areas are designed to bring people together, offering the perfect setting for movie nights, gatherings, or simply enjoying some downtime. Now let's head outside, because the outdoor area of this property is nothing short of breathtaking. The transition from indoor to outdoor living is seamless, creating a cohesive and harmonious environment. The pool area immediately captures your attention, with its crystal-clear water reflecting the surrounding architecture. Comfortable lounge chairs, shaded seating areas, and beautifully designed landscaping make this space ideal for both relaxation and entertainment. Whether you're hosting a summer party or enjoying a quiet afternoon, this outdoor area offers the perfect setting. The attention to detail continues throughout the exterior spaces. From the choice of materials to the layout of the garden, everything has been carefully considered. This is a place where you can truly escape from the stresses of everyday life and enjoy a sense of peace and tranquility. One of the most impressive aspects of this home is how it integrates technology with design. Smart home features allow you to control lighting, temperature, security, and entertainment systems with ease. This level of convenience enhances the overall living experience, making everyday life more comfortable and efficient. As we continue to explore, it becomes clear that this home is not just about luxury, but about creating a complete lifestyle. Every space serves a purpose, and every detail contributes to the overall experience. This is a home where design meets functionality, where beauty meets practicality. Imagine waking up here every day, surrounded by elegance and comfort. Imagine hosting gatherings in these incredible spaces, creating memories that will last a lifetime. This is more than just a property, it's a dream come true for anyone who values quality, design, and lifestyle. As we come to the end of this tour, it's clear that this home stands as a true masterpiece of modern architecture and luxury living. From its stunning exterior to its beautifully designed interiors and incredible outdoor spaces, every aspect of this property has been crafted to perfection. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Elite Estate Tour, and turn on notifications so you never miss an opportunity to explore another incredible property like this one. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and tell me which part of this home impressed you the most. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tour.